In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to set up and create a Kanban board inside of Wrike. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Wrike like you usually would. Then from here, you need to find the project that you want to add this Kanban board to. From here, you'll need to go up to the add view over here, the plus icon. Then from here, you can see a bunch of different view models, but you'll need to choose board to create a Kanban board. From here, you'll add a name, and then you can add share this view with either everyone with access to the Wrike board or only me, which will be personal. Then from here, you can just click create. And then from here, you can see this is pretty much a Kanban board by itself. You can see here the new, the planned, process, in review, tests, and completed over here. So let's say you want to create a new view over here. And to do that, you simply need to go over here to status, and then you can add a task workflow. Then from here, you can create the name for this task workflow. You can add whether a description, if you want to do that. You can add whether it should be an active, a completed, a deferred, or a cancelled. And down here, you can also add a status if you want to do that, where you can add a name to this specific active workforce, and you can change the color if you want to do that. You can also assign the status change, allow manual transitions, and you can add approvals down here where you can add specific invites or employees to approve these tasks for the Kanban board. So from here, you can also choose approval date for the final decision, if they should be approved, or the same with being rejected. And you can change status after finishing to either new, planned, in progress, or anyone else of these task workflows on your Kanban board. Then from here, you'll need to click on this close icon up here, and then you can click save. And as you can see here, the test one has been created. And if you want to ask a task inside of this work overview, you'll need to click on plus item, and then you can add task. And as you can see over here, you can also create a tag for it, where you can either select an item to create, or you can customize it. So from here, you can add who should add and complete this specific task, and you can click on yourself right here. And then from here, you can also assign more people, but when you're done, you need to click enter, like so. And as you can see, now it has been created. That's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!